Hey everybody, hey Mays here. First of all, thank you for registering for this up and coming workshop on expansive communication. There are still some slots available if you haven't already registered. You can do that by clicking on the link below this video. I just wanted to tell you what we're going to go over in this workshop in order to prepare you for what's going to happen. First of all, this workshop is dramatically different to others you might have been attending by other people in the past, because it's literally designed to be like a miniature condensed masterclass. It's my goal for you to leave this workshop fully able to go out and use these skills to influence people in a positive and profound way so that you can naturally begin to enjoy better relationships, both in your business and in your personal life. So here's what we're going to be covering in our first workshop. This workshop is all about expansive communication and how you can harness the power of NLP to help you become more charismatic automatically so you can attract the right people into your life without coming across as too pushy, desperate, or needy. In this workshop, I'm going to show you a simple and easy technique which I use every day that is so profound that it will just naturally make you seem more interesting and attractive to almost everyone you meet, including complete strangers. I'm going to show you exactly how I've used this technique over the last 2 years to speak with over 800 complete random strangers who I've never met before. And yet, I've still managed to both successfully and consistently persuade them to part with their money and even hand over their bank details, all in the space of less than 10 minutes. I didn't know any of these people from Adam. Seriously though, I did this in my previous 2 years as a fundraiser for the UK Wildlife Trusts, and I'm very pleased to say that I've now raised over £247,000 in the past 2 years. So imagine this scenario, if you will. What if you could create an instant sense of connection and trust with someone so that they immediately become fascinated by you, and in just a few minutes they automatically feel like they've known you all of their life? Is this something you might find useful? Welcome to the world of expansive communication. Together, during this workshop, we'll be exploring the 3 primary emotional states a human can be in and how you can use them to dramatically increase the impact and power of your message. You'll be able to get rapport for the right reasons. You'll learn how to hack someone's emotional bonding checklist so it makes you seem like the most fascinating person that they've ever met. You learn how to use this technology to smash your interviews and get your dream job. Together, we can explore all the ways how you can naturally and effortlessly become more influential, persuasive, enjoy better relationships, be more confident, improve your self-esteem and sense of self-worth, get a better job even, get more of what you want out of life, have more fun doing it, and remove the randomness out of your life. By learning expansive communication, you'll be able to speak with confidence. You'll exude charisma and self-assuredness through your words and body language. People will naturally gravitate towards you. You'll be able to choose the right words and know exactly what to say, when to say it, and how to say it in a way that allows you to connect with others and get your point across clearly and effectively, you'll be able to create strong relationships. You'll master the art of building strong connections with people, making them feel heard, understood, and validated. You'll be able to share captivating and compelling stories that lead the imagination of your audience, that are not only engaging, but also transport them into your world and leaving a lasting impact with them. You'll be able to influence them at the subconscious level. By using hypnotic language patterns, you'll be able to communicate with people at a very deep and profound level, right at the very core of their identity. You'll be able to subtly influence their thoughts in a positive way. You'll be able to stay calm and focused in the most difficult situations. Through meditation, you'll learn how to maintain your composure in any situation, and you can always respond to them in a place of emotional neutrality and equanimity. If any of this resonates with you, stay tuned. So if you're tired of hearing the word no over and over again, if you've ever been denied the things you want in life, like jobs, dates, promotions, if you want to wield an almost magnetic type of charisma and influence that literally causes people to become fascinated by you, if you want to stop feeling powerless and get back in control of your life so you can enjoy more meaningful, lasting relationships in both your personal and your business life, this is for you. Ultimately, expansive communication helps you to attract the right people into your life, both personally and professionally. It's like your secret weapon for becoming more magnetic and influential. But there is a catch. You have to be willing to do the work. You have to have an open mind. You have to be willing to explore new ways of thinking. And above all, you have to be willing to invest in yourself. So if you're looking for an easy way out, you may as well stop wasting your time. There are plenty of self-help gurus and self-proclaimed experts on Facebook out there offering you the easy button and promises of untold riches without doing any work. Our group is not one of those groups. If you want the results, you're going to have to do the work. So unless you're willing to take action and to do what it takes to get the life you want and to do the work to get it, now this may not be the right group for you. If, on the other hand, you feel inspired and you're ready to take action, to take this opportunity now and begin this journey of personal transformation together through expansive communication, this is for you. Welcome to the group. If you haven't already done so, click on the link below this video to register. It's going to be a lot of fun. I look forward to seeing you on the inside and meeting you next week at the specified time. Thank you for watching this video.